Everything you said we already knew, more or less.
Well, here's something that you didn't know. 2 of those special atomic bombs haven't gone off.
What's going on YouTube? Today I'm finally going to make the long overdue video of the top speed on the NLS. Takes about a few minutes to get to the ride area and then we'll go from there.
Look what you've done to me, I'm helpless as I can be. I love you, so much in love with you. I know there's another who cares as much for you, but I hope that you make me.
So for the video today, I will be using an app called Speedbox. I have tried to use Strava in the past, but it doesn't seem to be too accurate. So I've seen some good reviews on this app itself, and I guess we're just gonna have to try it out. I will be recording the top speed in all 4 riding modes on the NLS. So we'll go to a smooth road and see what happens. All right, and just like that, we're at the recording spot. I tried to pick a road that is generally smooth, not busy, and somewhat flat. So let's go over to it. All right, so to get to the spot, we used, let's see, 86. I don't know why it's not picking it up, but it says 86. Just didn't believe me here. Time to do some speed runs. All right, so we'll do, let's go beginner mode. Beginner mode. Yep. Go to economy. Noticeably faster in economy mode, noticeably. It's gonna rain, so I gotta hurry this video up. Mode 3. Experienced or expert or whatever you want to call it. All right, and finally, the most fun mode, obviously. Pro. Let's see what Pro mode can do. Alright, so if you can't tell, it's getting a little windy. I'm gonna have to wrap this video up a little short, because I don't want to get stuck in the rain, so get home quick. So, rain ride didn't go too well. Got extremely slippy, and yeah. Not the best moment of my life, but I think I'm alright. So I guess this is my lesson of not riding in the rain. But other than that, I think we got some solid footage. I have to look at it when I get back. Got the girlfriend on the way to give me a ride home since I don't want to ride anymore in the rain and don't really want to walk at the moment. So she's been the real MVP and come pick me up. So just gotta wait for her. Here she comes.